Okay, so we're at Wodden, is that you said? Wodden Industries, okay. And you're going to show us the helicopter that's controlled by the iPhone.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Can be Android phone.
And Wi-Fi.
All right, let's see how it goes.
Whatever your.
So you got your iPhone, is that an iPhone 5 or a 4?
This is a 4.
Okay.
I got it connected, so I got
This
to
is
connect.
Samsung.
Oh, that's the Samsung, okay. So it's not just iPhones.
So I go to my app.
Okay.
How much are the quad? The large quad?
The large quad
With camera.
With the camera? Well, it depends on what they're looking for. As far, are you looking to buy like a number of them or just like?
I'm not a vet.
All right, let's see what happens.
I'd buy them.
Okay.
Oh, cool. That goes pretty high.
Oh yeah.
How high will it go?
We'll get 30 up. You have a little landing pad. You can grab it. Oh, I was going to land it on your hand. Oh. I'm a great pilot.
Sorry.
You insulted
All
me.
right, so you got a tank, you got a car.
I saw.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.